Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Guide, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to create and use live stickers on iPhone. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, open your messaging app. Then once you're on your message app, tap on this icon at top right corner. Then type in the name, contact or email of the person that you want to send message to. Once you select the person, tap on this plus icon. Then scroll a bit down. Then you will see this option Memoji, tap on it. Then you'll get to select various kind of stickers. If you want to create your own, then go all the way to the left. Then you'll see this plus icon, tap on it. Now create your character. Create your character as you like. And once you have created your character, tap on the done button at top right corner. Then you'll be able to create a sticker of yourself. Now to record a live message, tap on the sticker. Then once you see this red button, tap on it and record your message, then send it to the receiver. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. And I'll catch you on the next one.